Everyone knows that getting organic traffic to your website is hard. Because there's tons of competition for keywords, social media is now a pay-to-play space, and voice search is throwing a wrench in everything SEO related. If you want to get more leads and sales, you're going to have to do some pay-per-click advertising. Google is constantly adding and upgrading its massive suite of products, which makes it hard for the typical advertiser to keep up with what's available to them. That's why you need to know 6 biggest Google Ads trends for 2020. It will help you plan the right marketing campaigns for your business this year. Hello guys, I am Naresh Kumar, founder of Go Digital Plan. In this video, we are going to show you top 6 Google Ads trends. So let's start without any wasting time. The goal of the feed is to surface relevant content to users even when they're not searching. Discover's content is arranged as cards under topics to explore, and depending on a user's interests, includes different types like video, recipes, news articles and blog posts. Because the focus of the content is relevancy, it doesn't always give you the newest content. Typically quality evergreen content is featured. Google Discover is available via the Google mobile app, and by visiting google.com on a mobile browser. Users can control what shows up in the feed, which leads to a more personalized experience. Earlier this year, Google introduced Discovery Ads, which are native ads that show up in multiple Google feed environments. It is similar to display ads or YouTube ads. Discovery ads must be visually engaging and mobile-friendly so that they feel native to the feeds they are displayed on. Google uses machine learning to optimize ad placement based on users' search history, feed engagement, and other factors to deliver them to the most interested potential customers. In recent years, Google has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, and smart bidding is one of the many results of that investment. Google's artificial intelligence system uses machine learning to automatically optimize for conversions in each auction. You tell Google what your advertising goal is, and smart bidding figures out how to get it done within your budget. Machine learning enables smart bidding to manage several signals at once, in order to tailor bids to each user's context. So if a user is more likely to click on your ad while they are on a bus on the way home from work, Google can raise your bids for mobile ads between 5 and 6 p.m. on weekdays. Smart bidding is a great option for businesses that are just getting started with Google Ads, or for those who don't have a ton of time to devote to managing a campaign. The main downside to using it is not having control over which third-party sites your ads display on. You have to choose all of them or none of them. Giving businesses more ways to target the right customer is a win-win proposition for Google, because it benefits both the business and the user. That's why in October 2019, Google announced 2 expanded audience segments. The first segment is in market audiences. These audiences are actively researching or comparing products and services. Google recently rolled out new, seasonal event segments for these audiences so that advertisers could reach consumers on search and YouTube with timely offers. The second segment is affinity audiences. These audiences are built around interests and identified based on browsing behavior. Some examples of affinity audiences are beauty mavens, convenience store shoppers, and cloud services power users. According to Google, Volkswagen used affinity audiences to achieve a 250% increase in conversion rates. Google Lens is a visual search engine by Google, which recognizes objects and landmarks through a native app. It's also integrated with Google Photos and, on some Android phones, with Google Assistant and the Google app. Let me tell you what you can do when you take a photo of the following items: apparel and home goods. Find similar products and where to buy them. Barcodes. Use a barcode to find info about a product, like where to buy it. Business card. Save the phone number or address to a contact. Books. Get a summary and read reviews. Event flyer or billboard. Add the event to your calendar. Landmark or building. See historical facts, hours of operation, and more. Painting in a museum. Read about the artist and learn more. Plant or animal. Learn about species and breeds. In the summer of 2019, Google launched the beta version of Gallery Ads. It's similar to Facebook's carousel ads. They feature images that mobile users can scroll through to get more visual information about a brand, product or service. Gallery ads will appear at the top of mobile search results and feature 4 to 8 images. Each image will have its own text, along with a static headline and URL, and advertisers pay when a user clicks or swipes an image. Gallery ads may not have as many applications for B2B or service-oriented brands, but businesses with offerings that lend themselves well to rich visuals should definitely take advantage of them when they are widely released. As Google increasingly moves away from the text-only search ads, advertisers will have more opportunities to present their products and services in a way that makes the most sense for their business and their customers. As more and more people buy smart speakers and search Google on mobile, text-based search is going to continue to decline. And that will mean big trouble for advertisers. According to a survey, 55% of all American homes will own a smart speaker by 2022. And 72% of people who own voice-activated speakers say that their devices are used as part of their daily routines. And voice shopping is set to jump to $40 billion in 2022, up from $2 billion today. 2 out of 5 adults use voice search once daily. As of right now, voice searches that use screens, such as using Google Voice Search on a desktop or on a phone, will display ads, but smart speakers like Google Home and Amazon Alexa devices don't. It is the bad news. But it will definitely change. In fact, Google is already testing ads on Google Home. As users move away from text-based search, the tech giant will surely find ways to monetize voice search.